all classes have been canceled today, so looks like we're not going to class. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a week in my life video starting with today. We're in the middle of the week, smack dab in the middle of the week. It's a Wednesday. This morning I got a notification from Boise State saying that classes are postponed until noon today, which is perfect because I was kind of stressed about not giving myself enough time in general because I'm meeting a girlfriend for breakfast this morning at Blue Bench Brunchette. Never been there, but she suggested it and I'm always down to try new brunch places here in the Boise area. I've got two classes today, Accounting 206 and BizCom. Should be exciting. I gotta show you guys this mascara because it is so good. I'm gonna put it on this eye and then this one I'm just gonna leave without so you can see the difference. Focus on putting it on the ends only, so don't start at the root of your lash because it's just gonna weigh down for the rest of the day. Are you seeing that? This is crazy. I'm gonna quickly do my lip combo. This is a completely new lip combo. Before I was using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I switched it up and for the past 2 months I've been obsessed with this one. This is the Bare Minerals lip liner in the color Striking Spice. Line the outside of your lips and then this gloss works wonders. This is the Ink Glasting Lip Gloss in the shade 4. Makeup all done. Really quick, we're gonna add some dry shampoo to the hair. We're adding the hair clip as well. Finished outfit of the day. Hair is up. Sweater. I got it at the Seaside store in Florida. I'll put the name of the actual brand on the screen. And then Levi overalls. Also, I'll link everything down below. No gatekeeping over here. Got my backpack, super puff Aritzia jacket, and let's go put on some boots. I gotta show you guys the snow outside because it is thick. Goodness, it is so chilly outside. Wow. All right, let's get some good music up in here. You cannot even see the lines in the road. Like, where are the lines? Good Lord. Pulling out of my driveway, the tail of my car was like, psh. We're gonna take it slow. Better to be late than to not be there at all. Alright, I just got to Blue Bench Brunchette. I'm gonna run in there really quick. 8:31 in the morning. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Look at how thick this snow is. I just got a notification that my accounting class got canceled because of the snow. Thank you, God, if you're watching this. That was just the cherry on top for the morning. I don't like to waste food, so leftover potatoes, I'm gonna make it like a breakfast taco tomorrow. I'm gonna go back to my house, put that in the fridge, knock out a little bit of homework, and then I have a class at like 12, I think, for BizCom. We actually will go to that one. First off, holy cow. Second off, all of my water just spilled all in my car. Oh god. I just knocked out a brand deal for Milani Cosmetics, and while I was filming I get a notification that all classes have been canceled today, so looks like we're not going to class. Am I happy? Yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna be productive and I'm gonna do a light workout today. We're gonna try a new flavor of protein powder. This is my favorite protein powder. It's the Clean Simple Eats Mint Chocolate Cookie, but today I want to try a new one out. So haven't tried this one yet, the white chocolate peppermint. I'm a sucker for anything mint, so we're gonna make this one. I'm gonna fill 8 ounces of this up with water. I didn't know whether or not I was gonna be able to get in a workout today, so this is perfect. And trying out new flavors of anything is my absolute favorite. Wow. Oh, I think I like this better than the mint chocolate cookie. Clean Simple Eats. Let's go put on a gym outfit. I'm setting up my hatch right now and I'm so excited because tonight is gonna be the first sleep that I can actually use it. This thing is so cool. I really hope it was worth the money though because it was a little pricey. So far, things are looking like it's gonna work out. This is today's gym fit. Top is from Lululemon. Leggings are from the brand Story. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once I get back from the gym, I'm gonna shower and then I'm going to eat some chicken and then we're grinding homework because I really need to get it done. 15 minutes on the Stairmaster and then an hour on the treadmill. And then I just ended it with some stretching and then a light core workout. If you guys have never heard of this, I'm about to put you on. One of my best friends, Fia, showed me this whenever I went to go visit her in Florida. But it's a universal dust cleaning gel, and it's literally like slime. It just picks up the dirt and you can like put it everywhere on your car, and it's just amazing. Oh shoot, I have to order. Okay, thank you. Do you see all this dust right here? Look at this, ready? Gone. I'm gonna link this in the description as well if you want to buy the exact same one as me. Taste test of the day, let's go. Okay, this is good because it's not heavy on the sugar. The espresso is poppin'. I made a quick pit stop at Fred Meyer, picked up a couple of things, groceries, things for the house. Somehow I ended up in the baking aisle. I mean, come on. Oh, this is so bad. This is why I cannot have a sweet tooth.
Productivity of 5 kilowatt hours per.
Hello, good morning. It is a Thursday. I'm on my way out the door because I've got class in 30 minutes. I do want to show y'all today's fit though because I'm actually in love with it. So I've got these linen tan pants from Hollister, this baby black tee from Hollister. This year for 2024, we're not dressing in sweatpants and hoodies to class. We're looking cute, we're looking put together. Oh my gosh, I'm like freezing my butt off right now. There was like a couple dresses. Yeah. Classes got canceled today. There is none happening in person whatsoever. Today is going to be all about getting work done and being productive. I have someone coming up to visit this weekend and their plane arrives later tonight. I want to make sure that I get everything that I need to get done. That goes for work, school, cleaning the house, and restocking my fridge and pantry because your girl is low. I have one more episode left of the TV show Virgin River, so I'm gonna go finish that and then I'm gonna do my word search after. I'm about to hop on a call right now with my management team. We've got a yearly meeting. We usually do this about every quarter. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's freezing here. We got classes canceled. I think I mentally prepared myself for it. Probably like a month left on the voyage, and so it's been pretty easy, the transition back. I definitely missed creativity outside of just the ship, so I think that's kind of what has been motivating me.
Thank you for shopping at Costco. Please remove all scanned items.
There's no prospect right now.
Toasted marshmallow latte. Yeah. We also got a star chip cookie and a certified sandwich. Good morning, everyone. I didn't have classes for the first part of the day because it snowed 5 inches yesterday, and therefore we had a delayed start. But now it's like 12:30. I have one more class that starts at 1:30, and that's BizCom. Surprisingly enough, this is the first class that I'm ever having a BizCom because the other week it got canceled. So I'm pretty excited to see how that goes. I gave myself enough time to stop at Walgreens and pick up my disposable photos from semester at sea. I forgot which photos I took because I brought this throughout the whole voyage, but I think there should be like 20 in here. Oh my gosh. it's prom class and it's literally snowing right now.
Il est entré dans mon cœur, mais pas de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, là juré pour la vie.
Howdy everyone. I just got out of my bar class. That was the first bar class that I've been to since coming back after studying abroad. And wow, I am out of shape. I'm so excited though because I want to get back into a routine of going. My friend Kaylee actually joined me, so we did the class together and now we're gonna go to Chipotle and get something to eat because your girl is hungry. Just got here to Chipotle. That is a big girl.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna eat it. I have this big book full of disposable photos all the way back from 2020 when I had blonde hair. There's my dad and I. So many photos, and so I'm gonna add the rest of these into this right now. I'm gonna hop in the shower, clean my hair and body because I feel like I smell awful right now. We need to do some homework and work tonight.
I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.